So I got my second box of Nature Box, kind of by accident. So about a month ago, I thought I had canceled my Nature Box subscription. I guess I didn't. So I have another box here, and I guess I'm gonna try all of them out again. They're all granola. I guess Nature Box just decided to send me a whole bunch of granola since I didn't select which ones I wanted. So here I go. This way instead of this way because I don't have my professional camera with me, and when I turn it sideways on the iPhone I look weird. So yeah, first one is gonna be what is this? French vanilla almond. Yeah, French vanilla almond granola. So there's that. So this is the French vanilla almond. This almost tastes like Special K. It's good though. So good. Well, let me explain. I didn't cancel Nature Box because I didn't want it. It's really good, but I was running through financial hardships last month, so I had to cancel it. But I guess I had an extra $9 somewhere because they charged me, but I'm satisfied. So the next one is chocolate. Let me focus this. Chocolate quinoa granola. Quinoa? I think I'm pronouncing that right. Whatever. And this is the chocolate quinoa granola bar thing. I don't know. I don't even need to explain. It's chocolate. And then the next one we have here is toffee almond granola. So this is the toffee almond granola. Nature Box. Make sure I don't say Nature Made. Nature Box. I don't know if I like this one. It's toffee almond granola. It kind of reminds me of like cinnamon oatmeal. You gotta think about that one. But this is the one I gave that weird face to. I don't know about that one. Toffee almond granola. I think this is gonna be the best. Cherry vanilla granola. So ready. So this is the cherry vanilla granola. It looks like it could be in like a Special K cereal. It looks very appetizing. Here I go. So this is the cherry vanilla granola. Yep. It's so good. So good. I know Lamar Wilson loved Mr. Wilson. He doesn't like to be called Mr. Wilson, but I think this is the one that he loved, PB&J granola, and this is the one I'm really waiting to taste. But that cherry one was really good. So this is going to be the PB&J granola. Oh my God. I have some more of that. This PB&J granola though. I'm feeling it. So good. If I ordered all of them, they're all empty. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that fat, but I really am. I really could if I wanted to. But I would highly recommend this company if you're trying to stay healthy. What is it? Excuse the crap on my desk here. Just let me not show my address. It's Nature Box. Not Nature Made, but Nature Box, because I've done this in a previous video. Discover, delight, and nourish. Discover, delight, nourish, and enjoy. So that was their slogan. But hey, hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the rest of your day. This has been Kelly the Legend, KTL. Goodbye.